Spaghetti Bolognese is a delicious and easy to make classic dish that's loved by many. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to make it from scratch. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Feel free to pause the video anytime to record down the ingredients. To make this recipe, you'll first need 500 grams of minced beef, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped cloves of garlic, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 400 grams of spaghetti, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and finally, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's cook the spaghetti. The first step in making spaghetti bolognese is to cook your spaghetti. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and add your spaghetti. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente, which means cooked so as to be still firm when bitten. While your spaghetti is cooking, you can start on the bolognese sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and garlic and cook until softened. Next, add your minced beef to the frying pan and cook until browned all over, breaking up any large clumps with a wooden spoon or spatula. Now, add 1 can of chopped tomatoes to the frying pan, along with 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Stir everything together and bring to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Your spaghetti should be cooked by now, so drain it and put it back in the pot. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and stir it through to stop it from sticking together. Once your bolognese sauce has finished simmering, it should be thick and fragrant. Taste it and season with salt and pepper to your liking. Add your bolognese sauce to the spaghetti and give it a good stir to make sure everything is evenly coated. And there you have it, a delicious and hearty spaghetti bolognese that's perfect for any occasion. Serve it up and enjoy! Thanks for watching, and we hope you give this recipe a try in your own kitchen. Do like, share and subscribe for more recipes and cooking tips.